Son Sakaja obende molande kaka jaloche kom mar gavana ma Nairobi. Sakaja mabende koronel laro komno kod otiko mar UDA no yombo to kod kwano bolo maromo kanyo 699,300 to kod 90 to kod 2 e koma mar senete ma Nairobi korolo kod migosi Sifuna mar duond bura mar ODM kod ombulu 716,650 to kod 1 korka kom mar Human Rep Passaris mar ODM bende koro yombo kanyo kod kwano bolo 690 to kod 8 100 to kod 20 to kod 9 e kinde nogono bende jalar kom mar gavana gotiko ma Jubilee Paul Kapigadhi mabende mar Azimio mane laro kom mar gavana kata mano to koro ogoyo bade piny kendo koro opuoyo migosi Sakaja kuom yombo kom makamano.
Watenya Sifuna as duly elected as Senator, Nairobi City County. It is the certificate. ID yako nikuandikie certificate. Hawezi fungiwa yeye. Kaeni hapo. Ilete.
Tumetoka kwa nyumba mbio. Hii mnaongezanga pressure unafi.
Okay. Now, may you please rise up? Now, I will therefore wish to issue the certificate of the elected county woman representative to the National Assembly. The certificate reads as follows. Certificate of elected county woman representative to the National Assembly. The county returning officer hereby declares that Esther Mudhoni Passaris of ID number 8619088 has been duly elected as the county woman member to the National Assembly City County in the election held on 9th day of August 2022. There's a seat. Make a copy. Copy. Unaleta certificates. It's okay. So I'm going to issue the certificate to the winner, said county returning officer, dated this 14th day of August 2022.
All right, live pictures there coming in from the Nairobi City County Tallying Center at Kasarani. The newly elected, retaining her seat, Esther Passaris, woman representative.
As the county returning officer for the Nairobi City County Governor Elections 2022, do hereby declare that Johnson Arthur Sakaja is duly elected the Governor for Nairobi City County 2022. Thank you very much. The certificate of the elected county governor reads as follows. The county returning officer hereby declares that Johnson Arthur Sakaja of passport number A1627553 has been duly elected as the county governor for Nairobi City County in the election held on 9th day of August 2022. A county returning officer, Gogo Albert Nguma, signature dated this 14th day of August 2022. Thank you very much.